Flash fill is a great feature that was introduced in the Office 2010 suite. It takes tedious tasks that could take you hours to perform or require complex formulas and executes them automatically when it identifies patterns. Let's take a look at how it handles extracting text. Here I have a list of cities, states, and zip codes. I'd like to extract this information into 3 separate columns. Before Flash Fill, I would have had to either use a nested formula or use the Text to Columns wizard to accomplish this. Watch how quickly I can do it with Flash Fill. I'll enter the first city, press Enter, and the Flash Fill button is found on the Data ribbon. I'll click the button, and Excel automatically extracts the text for me. Let's try the state. I'll enter the state, press Enter, click my Flash Fill button, and now I have all of my states. Flash Fill is detecting a pattern in what I'm typing, and it's completing my pattern. For the zip code, I'm going to use a shortcut key. I'll enter the zip code, press Enter, and this time I'm going to press Control-E on the keyboard. Control-E is Flash Fill's shortcut key. This way you don't have to switch ribbons to find your Flash Fill button. How about doing the opposite? In the next example over to the right, I'd like to combine the first name and last name into a single column. I think I'll have it display the first name, a space, and then the last name. So let's enter that pattern. David, space, Jones. I'll press Enter, Control-E, and Excel fills it down for me. For the full name with initial, let's have it display the last name, comma, space, and the first initial, but I want it in all caps. Flash Fill can actually format text for you as well. So let's create our pattern. I'll type the last name in all caps, comma, space, and the first initial in caps. I'll press Enter and Control-E, and Excel fills it down for me. You can even use Flash Fill to extract information from long strings of text. Over here, somebody has entered codes in. What I would like to do is extract the numbers that are in the middle of the codes. I don't want the letters. So I'll enter the first number from the first code, 4793. Press Enter and Control-E. And Flash Fill has detected that I just want the numbers and fills them down. How about adding text to numbers? So in this example, somebody has entered invoice numbers in, but they forgot to enter the AB code at the beginning. So let's have Flash Fill do it for us. I'll type AB dash and the first number. Press Enter and Control-E, and Flash Fill copies my pattern. That saves a lot of time. It can even remove those pesky spaces you sometimes get at the beginning of the cell when you've imported or copied and pasted information from another system. I'll enter Ontario without the space at the beginning. Press Enter, Control-E, and now we have a nicely formatted list without the spaces. There are so many uses for Flash Fill. And if you start using this wonderful feature, you'll save so much time in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to discover many more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a thing. And if you'd like information on how to attend one of our courses, or speak with someone about software consulting or database support, hang tight and the information will pop up on your screen.